Hello yogis, it's Rosalie here and welcome to this yoga series for complete beginners. Today we're looking at tree pose. If you've been following the series the whole time, today's the last day. This is the final pose of the series and I think I've saved the best for last. Tree pose is a beautiful pose and it really starts to help you cultivate your balance and also your strength. And it's just one of those poses that feels really good when you come into it. It helps you hone your focus and makes you feel really, really good. So we're gonna try it out right away in a standing position. All right, so we're gonna stand here nice and tall. We're gonna start with the feet and work our way up. So first thing we're gonna do is lift up those toes and then really press them into the mat. Secondly, really engage those legs. Remember how we did those kneecaps lifting in mountain pose? Lift up the kneecaps. Now draw the belly button in towards the spine and relax the shoulders. Good. Now we're gonna point the toes of one foot and just let that knee fall to the side. Now start to draw that foot alongside your standing leg. Remember your standing leg's already really engaged. So maybe you want to stay here at the lower part of your leg, or maybe you want to come up a little bit higher. You can use your hand to help you, but make sure you avoid the knee joint. Don't place a foot on the knee joint. Good. Now really press into the foot of that standing leg. Press into the big toe mound. And then bring your hands to your heart space. And really start to open the hips. So engage the glutes and think about bringing that knee back. So you're really opening the hips. Bring our hands to our heart space. A few little things here to help you with your balance. The first thing is to find a fixed gaze in front of you, something that's not moving. And just fix your gaze there. Secondly, is to really engage your core, which I hope you're already doing. Draw the belly button in towards the spine. And the third thing to do is to have a really nice, strong standing leg. So make sure that kneecap is lifting. Really push into the big toe mound. Now, when everything is like this, really nice and stable, do whatever feels good with your arms. So sometimes it's nice to stay here with your arms in namaste. Or you might want to just float the arms up just above your head like this. Or maybe you want to open up the arms. Whatever feels good for you in this moment, so you can do it differently each time. Just make sure you have that stability of your standing leg before you start to move the arms. Really nice, everyone. Let's come down with a lot of control. Just go ahead and bring the knee that's bent forward and then all the way down, and we're going to meet in a sitting position. So how was that tree pose for you? Now I'd love to see it, so go ahead and snap a picture of yourself if you can, or get someone to do it and post it on Instagram and tag me at Rosie Yogi so I can see how you did in your tree pose. Now the main thing to avoid in this pose is that you're not placing the foot onto the knee joint. Really make sure you're not doing this. And another thing to watch out for is that you're just kind of hanging out there. Make sure the leg is really, really nice and engaged, and make sure your core is engaged as well. So don't let the belly just hang out. And finally, the last thing to watch out for is that your shoulders don't start to creep up towards your ears, maybe when you're bringing your hands up and overhead. So keep your shoulders nice and soft the whole time. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I know you want to. Hit the little bell so you're notified every single time I post a new video. And thanks again for joining me for this yoga series for complete beginners. Make sure you take all of what we did and practice it on the other side.